The men that work for me must be capable of violence.
Why are we burning this place?
It's called sending a message.
He trusts you, and trust is a valuable commodity.
Gabe doesn't just work for you, he's your friend.
I really want the respect that comes with this job.
It ain't respect, it's fear. I'm sorry to disturb you.
What are you talking about?
I'm the distraction.
Your boss has got another job for you.
It's being taken care of.
He made us. I'm bringing him in.
Onwards and upwards.
Hey, boss, we have a possible witness.
Just get rid of the cop.
What do you want?
Get in or you're dead! I'm tendering my resignation.
I'm gonna hunt you down.
What are we going to do? You're a mob soldier, and I'm a cop.
Well, I've got guns. A lot of guns. I'm taking that lady cop back to Mr. Solomon. Okay.
Just get rid of them both, whatever the cost. You got it, boss.
I have learned one truth. Criminals are their own worst enemy.
Look at me, mother.
I'ma go harder than most. I'ma go harder than most. I'ma go harder than most.